Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exam Cluster. Today in this video you are going to discuss the dates for the CBI Assistant Public Prosecutor, CBI Public Prosecutor, Delhi Assistant Public Prosecutor and Public Prosecutor in National Investigation Agency. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like button. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section. The UPSC has issued an addendum notice to candidate wherein it is mentioned that 16/2020 vacancy item number 3, vacancy number 2012160312, published on 12/12/2020 with the closing date of submission of online application being 23:59 hours on 31/12/2020 for the recruitment to 10 posts of public prosecutor in NIA, National Investigating Agency, Ministry of Home Affairs. Second, 04/2021 item number 4, vacancy number 21020404227, published on 27/2/2021 with the closing date of submission of online application being 23:59 hours on 18th of March 2021 for the recruitment to 43 posts of public prosecutor in Central Bureau of Investigation, Department of Personnel and Training, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pension. Item number 3, 02/2021 item number 11, vacancy number 21010211223, published on 23/1/2021 with the closing date of submission of online application being 23:59 hours on 11/2/2021 and correspondence dated 4/8/2021, uploaded on the website of the Commission for recruitment to 80 posts of Assistant Public Prosecutor in Directorate of Prosecution, Department of Home, Government of NCT of Delhi. And 04/2021 item number 5, vacancy number 21020405227, published on 27/2/2021 with the closing date of submission of online application being 23:59 hours on 18/3/2021 for the recruitment to 26 posts of Assistant Public Prosecutor in Central Bureau of Investigation, Department of Personnel and Training, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievance and Pension. 5. 16/2020 item number 01, vacancy number 20121601212, published on 12/12/2020 with the closing date of submission of online application being 23:59 hours on 31/12/2020 for recruitment to 2 posts of Assistant Legal Advisor in Directorate of Enforcement, Department of Revenue, Ministry of Finance. The Commission has decided to conduct a pen and paper based combined recruitment test, OMR based RT recruitment test on for shortlisting the candidate for the above mentioned post on 19th of September 2021, Sunday, forenoon session from 9:30 am to 11:30 am. Candidates reporting time at test center is 1 hour before the scheduled commencement of the test, as under. Only those candidates shortlisted in combined CBRT and who fulfill all the eligibility conditions of the post shall be called for interview. The center of tests will be Ahmedabad, center code 01, Bhopal 04, Chennai 12, Delhi 08, Dispur Guwahati 09, Jaipur 11, Jammu 34, Kochi 24, Kolkata 06, Lucknow 26, Mumbai 05, Nagpur 13, Port Blair 37, Ranchi 41, Visakhapatnam 51. Scheme of test: the test will be of 2 hours duration. All questions will carry equal marks. The test will be have objective type questions with multiple choice of answers. The medium of test will be English only. There will be a penalty for wrong answers. Every wrong answer will carry a reduction of 1/3 of the marks assigned to that question. If no answer is marked for a question, there will be no penalty for the question. The test will carry a maximum of 300 marks. Syllabus of the test: the syllabus of the question paper shall broadly cover constitutional law, criminal law including IPC and CRPC, Indian Evidence Act, Prevention of Corruption Act, Delhi Special Police Establishment Act, Information Technology Act, Central Vigilance Commission Act, Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002. Intimation about venue of the recruitment test will be communicated to the candidate in due course. Pen and paper based recruitment test, OMR based RT, and the interview shall carry a 75/25 weightage for those candidates shortlisted out of the pen and paper based recruitment test, OMR based RT, and those who qualify in the interview. Standard of suitability for interview for candidates belonging to various categories is fixed as under. General, EWS, OBC category would be 50 and above. SC and ST would be 40 and above on relaxed standard. No request for change of center. Test center will be entertained. Hence, friend, the test has already been announced, that is 19th of September 2021 for CBI APP, CBI PP, Delhi APP, ALA and Enforcement Directorate, and Public Prosecutor in NIA. So all these 5 vacancies, there will be a combined test, and out of which there will be a different cutoffs for all the vacancies. So whosoever has applied for the test has now to prepare for the recruitment test, pen and paper, and has to prepare accordingly. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video, and have a very nice day.